and welcome back, my beautiful people. What's up? I hope you're doing very well. It's been a very long time I haven't done any videos on YouTube because I was waiting for the rains to go, and unfortunately they are not going away, and here I am again shooting with some lighting issues, but I hope the video will be very clear. Today I'll be doing video for the products which I have emptied finally. Like, these are the products, if you can see, and I'll share the reviews, like whether I will repurchase them or not. So yeah, let's go. So the very first product is from M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. So I love using this face scrub, and this retails for 350 rupees with a quantity of 100 grams. Now just 2 more uses and this is going to get over soon, and I love this product a lot. Like, it makes your skin very smooth. Also I use this scrub twice a week. You should not use scrubs on daily basis. You have to use them like हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक बार या 2 बार. और ये स्क्रब बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव है जिनको डेड स्किन का प्रॉब्लम है या ब्लैकहेड्स है. सो या, आई विल डेफिनेटली रीपरचेज दिस प्रोडक्ट. और इसके जो पार्टिकल्स भी है वो काफ़ी जेंटल है स्किन के लिए. लाइक आपके स्किन पे वो हार्श बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहेंगे. सो I will definitely repurchase this. Also, I'll share all the links in the description box below, so you can go and check out. So that's it. The second product is the Wow Skin Science Coconut Milk Shampoo. DHT blockers, no paraben, sulfate, silicon, salt and water. So basically it's made with 100% natural bioactives. So now here it is written, it strengthens the hair roots, boosts hair growth, check hair loss and premature graying. Nothing has done to my hair. Nothing. Like, I have somehow finished this product, but this has done nothing. If you are oiling and then washing with this shampoo, I bet you this is not going to help you. Like, the oil stays in your hair and the shampoo goes, and that oil then this doesn't work. It didn't work for me, so I won't actually purchase this product again. So it's very much. So my next product is the M Caffeine Naked Raw Body Scrub. So I think very less amount is remaining. Like, again twice I'll use and this is going to get over. I love this, love this product. This retailed me for around 450 rupees, and it smells like coffee. Like, you will be like tempting to have craving for coffee. It is that good, and I've been using this since very long time. Like, very much good quantity they give, and I love this. Both boys and girls can use this product. So the brand is very much like they produce products for both boys and girls, and this is a very effective one. You must definitely try this out. Also, I have written a full post on this on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might have checked it, but if you don't follow me, I'll share the links in the description box. You can just go and check the post on my Insta. So yeah, I love this and I will repurchase this product. Next is again my favorite product. Like I was craving for this product, but it was out of stock everywhere. Not a single shop I have left where I haven't asked for this, but due to lockdown this product is unavailable, but now they have made it available on Amazon. So this is the Medimix oil free face wash, honey and basin, free, oil free and clear skin. So this product has basin and honey, and this product has healed all the baby bumps on my face. Like there is no pimples on my face. Earlier I used to get lot of baby pimples, but using this product has improved my skin a lot. And yes, I will repurchase this. Like I'm going to stock now 2-3 bottles of this product. I so love it. So my next favorite product is the Laneige Special Care Lip Slipping Mask. So this I had taken like last year, and almost 1 year I'm using this, and this has made my lips like really very nice. I can feel my lips, they are really soft. They don't have that chapped and dry lips anymore. Like it's just made for this. I think you should definitely try this product. Like I know it's for $500, but then it's a worth trying product. Like you can spend at least 500 for one better product than spending 100 rupees for some other lip balms. So yeah, you can try this out. Also it smells like cherry or strawberry, more like a cherry it smells, but for me smell doesn't matter. For me the product quality matters. Like it has just made my lips so supple and soft. I can feel them, like they used to be very dry, and now after using this they have become like baby soft. So I will definitely buy this, but the bigger one. So yeah, you should also try this out. This is available on Nykaa. Also I have written a blog on this, so I'll share the links. You can go and check the blog. So yeah, that's it. Then the next product is from the Bath and Body Works Pink Magnolia shower gel. So this was the shower gel sent to me by my sister, and I loved this so very much. Like it was just very much gentle on my skin, and it had vitamin E, I guess. Sorry, not in this, the other one I have, it has vitamin E in it. So but this lathers very nicely, and the smell doesn't stay for too long, but I loved how it refreshes you and how it makes our body feel. So this was the emptied, so this I have emptied almost. So my next product is the hair cleanser Khadi Shikakai. So I have used, this is my 3rd or 4th bottle I guess, and I love using this product. How underrated product is this? I have been using this for a very long time. Like it had it makes my hair dry, but then it cleanses my hair so nicely. I have shifted from SLS shampoos to, I've shifted myself from SLS shampoos. Like I don't use any SLS or paraben shampoos. So this is one of the best I can say. And also I've used the 4th bottle, 3rd or 4th bottle I guess. So I will repurchase this if I feel so in future, because this used to heal my scalp very nicely, and I used to wash my, like I feel like I have washed my hair, and it smells really very good. Also it's very cheap in price. Like I got it around 120 or something on Nykaa discounts. It keep getting Nykaa keeps on discounting this product a lot. So yeah, you can definitely try this. Also, this is available on DMart, on the DMart app, so you can check there also. So the next products are Mamaearth shampoo and the conditioner. So it is written as Happy Head shampoo with biotin, amla and natural protein, and on the conditioner it is written as No More Tangles conditioner with milk protein, avocado and shea butter for free hair and for healthy and strong hair. So I have been using these products like very long time. This has done nothing to my hair. Like for once when I have washed, there was very less hair fall, but later on the same things I started getting a lot of hair fall after that. So I just just to finish the bottle, I have used this and completed finishing this. So I won't be using this product, or I won't be repurchasing this again. So that's it. I don't want to talk much on this. Also on the conditioner, I'm currently using this, like it's almost over now. Finally it is over, but I won't buy this again as for now, because even this has done nothing to my hair. Like I don't feel like I'm using Mamaearth products. It's just like a normal shampoo and conditioner, and it does nothing to your hair. So my last products are, oh sorry, not last. So my second last products are from Sugandha White Lotus Moisturizer and Sugandha Antioxidant Serum. So I have been loving these products. Like this has made my skin more brighter and more glowy, I can say. I love these products a lot. And White Lotus extracts with 3% niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, panthenol. So they have I used to combine these two and apply day and night, and I loved this so very much. Like, and this one had 10% vitamin C and centella, curcumin and hyaluronic acid. So yeah, I used to use this because I had a lot of pigmentation here near my mouth area. But then after using these products, my pigmentation has reduced and my face used to glow. Like it's been a year I've been using and I'm over on this product. So definitely I'll purchase this. There is no doubt I'm not going to buy this. I will purchase this, and this is specifically for oily and combination skin. Try the White Lotus Moisturizer from Sugandha. I'll share the links in the description box below. Also this is an Indian brand, so yeah, why not give it a try. I have written a blog on this. I'll share the links in the description box so you can check it out. And the last product for the day is the Nykaa tea tree oil. I'm almost over with the product. If you can see, like there's nothing in it, and I love how this has healed my scalp. I used to use only for my scalp because I had very much itchy scalp. अगर आपको itchiness है बालों में, बहुत खुजली आती है, like बाल बहुत ऐसे गंदी तरह से आप खुजाते रहते हो just because of the flakiness and some itchiness or because of the dandruff, this is the product. You have to just take 2 or 3 drops of it into your normal oil and just apply it onto your head, and then wash it with a mild shampoo and conditioner, and you're good to go. So I love how this product has worked for me, and yes, I'm going to repurchase this product again. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Well, I hope you guys like my videos, and please, if you like it, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.